Hey everybody, it's Miss Withers, and I am here for Unit 5, Week 2, Day 3 word work. So let's take a look at our learning targets. Our learning targets for today are identifying vowel team spellings and reading and spelling words with vowel team syllables. So, a vowel team syllable are vowel pairs such as EA and OA that act as teams. They must stay in the same syllable in a longer word. The consonants W and Y sometimes act as vowels in vowel teams, such as OW and AY. So we will have to be watching for these. And here's a list of some wonderful examples of vowel teams and vowel team syllables. So if you want to pause the video and take a look at these examples, that might help you out. We are going to do some examples together today. So let's take a look at our first word, rainbow. How many syllables does this word have? Rainbow, rainbow. Let's underline them. Rainbow, rainbow. I count 2 syllables. The next question, what is the vowel team in this word? Rainbow. I remember AI are 2 vowels that are teaming up, and I remember that sometimes that W acts as a vowel in a vowel team. Rainbow. So I see AI and OW. Now, what long vowel sound does this vowel team make? Let's look at our first one here. Rain, rain. To me, that sounds like the long A vowel sound. Rain. Bow, O. That sounds like the long O sound. So we have 2 syllables. Here's a vowel team, and here's one of those tricky vowel teams that uses a W to make the long O sound. Let's take a look at our next example. Snowplow, snowplow. How many syllables? Let's try to underline them here. Snow, plow. Snowplow, snowplow. 2 syllables. What is the vowel team in this word? Well, I remember from my last word that OW is a vowel team because that W is kind of tricky and it adds to that to make a long vowel sound. So our first OW is definitely one of our vowel teams. Snow, O. But our second OW, plow, ow. That doesn't really make a long vowel sound. So let's just box our first one. Do you see how the OW here and the OW here make completely different sounds? Well, this first vowel team makes the long O vowel sound. Snow, O. So that's the one we will identify. Our next example, reading, reading. I'll count my syllables. Reading. 2 syllables. What is the vowel team in this word? Do I see any vowels next? Oh, there they are. 2 vowels right next to each other, ready to team up. E and A are teaming up to make a vowel team. Reading. And what long vowel sound does this vowel team make? Re, E. The long E sound. Reading. 2 more examples. Brighter. How many syllables does this have? Brighter. 2 syllables. What is the vowel team in this word? Well, this one's really kind of tricky and extra special because I hear a long I, But what letter combination is making that long I? This is kind of tricky. IGH is a vowel team that makes the long I sound. Long I. Iter. Brighter. Oof, that one is pretty silly. All right, and our last example. Fewer. 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 Let's make that shorter. Fewer. Fewer. 2 syllables. What is the vowel team in this word? Well, I see a W. Oh, perfect. I see an E right next to it. An E is a vowel, and that W helps us out sometimes. So we have an EW vowel team. It's in the first syllable. Few. Fewer. What long vowel sound does this vowel team make? Let's say it slower. Few. You. Oh my goodness. It makes the long U sound, which is pretty wild because there's no U in this word, which is why it's really important that when you are doing your word sort today, you might even say these words quietly to yourself to listen for the long vowel sounds. So in your assignment, you're going to highlight the vowel team in each word. Then you're going to sort the words by what long vowel sound each vowel team makes. So you have rainbow, reading, brighter, snowplow, fewer. So highlight and then sort according to the long vowel sounds. Then you will submit your slides. Good luck!